How to loop video on CapCut. So first of all, launch CapCut application. From here, you can select on new video or you can choose videos from your draft. I'm going to choose on this first video. Now, all you would have to do is tap on the video. Now after this, at the bottom, you can see various options if you swipe towards the left-hand side. Now, slide this slider to your desired video part. Then, go ahead and tap on duplicate. Now, you can follow this same step for other parts of the video as well. Once you do so, tap on this play option. Now, with that, you can see that your video will be kept on loop. So now, in another step, you can also use a seamless loop. So you can add the video to your timeline, duplicate it, and then trim or add a short crossfade transition between the two clips to make the loop smoother. You can repeat the duplicated section as needed. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.